Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Boom boom mama.
Hey guys, like the new ride? Thanks to Jerome, we're using this today. And then also thank you to Sugar Grove, Ohio. You know who you are. They're donating a refrigerator for Baludoy. So Jerome's letting us use his ride and we're gonna put it back here. I already bought the refrigerator. So I'm gonna go pick it up now. Richie's waiting over there by it. So we're gonna go load it up and head over to Baludoy's. Alright, so Richie's gonna drive. Just make sure you go nice and slow. Alright, here we go. Where are you going? Alright, I guess I'll drive this time. Ooh, there's a lizard. Alright, it's like a big backpack. 1, 2, 3.
Careful.
Okay. All right, so we talked to Jenny this morning just to let her know. Richie's trying to walk backwards. Just to ask her if she wanted a refrigerator. Because not everybody wants a refrigerator. But Baludoy and the kids do not know. We don't know if they're even there. But we're gonna surprise them with this. And let's see what happens. So Richie's walking backwards right now. It's kind of dangerous. So you can walk forward.
Are you okay?
I'm okay.
I'm okay then.
If you're okay, I'm okay. Hey. Is Baludoy around?
Not here yet.
Alright, that's cool.
I'm getting food for the cow.
Okay. So these two are Jerome's kids. So that's the truck that we use today. So thanks, Jerome. Oh. Alright.
Oh. Red.
Alright. I'll just walk right in.
No.
Where do you think you might want it? We can just put it in a temporary spot.
Yeah. There he is.
Is he here?
Yeah, bringing food for the cow.
Alright. So Baludoy is here. Let's see what he has to say about this. Jenny already knows. His wife gave us the okay to get a refrigerator. But Baludoy does not know. Baludoy just got some food for the cow. Alright.
Close your eyes. Close ba yung mata? Tabunin. Tabunin, dali. Ay, piyong lang badang dali. Na, piyong, dali. Dali, isa. Na, piyong, dali. Piyong nga mata, piyong nga. Ay, sag-open. Hingit sa habi. Ay! Ni-open. Okay.
Alright.
Tadaan!
What do you think? It's alright? Hopefully the red color's alright. They didn't have orange.
Unsa man ni? He said, what's that?
It's a...
Tagana. Open. Red.
The nearest stores here for like stores and ice and things like that are pretty far. So now they can start selling ice. They can sell popsicles, drinks, ice candy, yeah, a whole bunch of different things.
They always buy cold water, so now they have their own rack.
Yeah. So before they always buy ice, is always buy cold water, ice candy. They'd buy all that before. Now they no longer have to buy that. They can actually make it and sell it to make a profit. So I think it's a win-win. All right, so a family from Sugar Grove, Ohio, which is in the United States, close to Michigan, just wanted to say Merry Christmas and wanted to give you the gift of the refrigerator. So thank you very much from Sugar Grove, Ohio. Thank you guys very much.
And Merry Christmas.
Yeah, and Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. And we're actually gonna come back tomorrow, so I'll bring the plug tomorrow, and we're gonna cook something. I'm not sure exactly what we're cooking yet, But we'll just see everyone tomorrow. So God bless and Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! Okay, 1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas!
Hey, good morning, guys. Richie, Raymond, and I are about to go to Baludoy's house, but we're just passing by John and Cynthia. This is from Cynthia. She wanted to give you 500 pesos.
Thank you.
Thank you, Cynthia.
Thank you.
All right, you guys have a good day. This is John's bike. Pretty cool. All right, see you guys later. No problem. All right, guys, we just got to Baludoy's, and as soon as we got here, he's offered us some food. But just yesterday, we brought the fridge, and just in one day, Baludoy already made a little stand, and then this is where he'll put the fridge. So very cool. And we also have some other gifts for him. This is a shout out to Emma for the bag. And then we also have some candy for the kids from Emma. But I didn't give this to him yet. I didn't tell him yet. But hey, Baludoy, this bag is for you. Many pockets. Yeah. Any type of weather, it's lightweight. It's a perfect bag. But one thing, here, want to hold this just for a second? Since the kids are around, I'll and this is from the same person. The bag and the candy, this is a bag full of candy. This is for all you guys, all you kids, okay?
Oh, bag with free candy.
Yeah, all candies. No problem, you can share that with everyone.
With chocolate inside?
Oh, not chocolate. And this is from Jenny.
Oh, Jenny.
Yeah, shout out to Jenny. This is eco-friendly soap.
Oh,
One for body and one for hair.
wow.
But here's some soap for you guys. Here you go. Yeah, but nice soap.
Nice.
So shout out to Jenny. Thank you very much, Jenny.
Oh, thank you very much.
But this bag is great too. This is for you. And this is from Emma. So two different people.
Two different people.
Yeah, that's a great bag.
Nadyo, ganahan ka muskwila tagbalik? He wants to, he's planning now to go back to school.
Go back to school.
Yeah, because he's new bag now.
You're never too old to go back to school.
We loaded, classmate.
Alright.
Grade 1. We go back grade 1. I have new bag.
Yeah, Raymond has a new bag from Emma too.
From Emma too.
Yeah, the same person.
Yeah.
So now we can all go back to school. So today we're making Tik Tik, and it's like Bud. It's like a variety off of Bud. But today is Tik Tik. Tik Tik.
From corn.
From corn, okay. So we're doing the coconut now, and then we'll add some corn, and then we'll go over the ingredients in a little bit. So Tik Tik is what we're eating today, but Tik Tik in Tagalog is monster.
Yeah, long tongue.
Long tongue monster. All right, good to know. So for the Tik Tik, we don't eat the coconut meat, so we're gonna give that to the chicken if Ivan doesn't destroy it.
Come, chicken, come.
All right, so now we're adding the coconut milk. So we're gonna cook the coconut milk until it boils, and then we'll add the brown sugar.
Boil first.
And this is Daling. This is Baludoy's beautiful mother.
Yay.
So for the Tik Tik today, there's only 3 ingredients. We have the coconut milk that we got from the coconut meat, and then we have brown sugar, and this is corn, and it's like the powder, which is also called Tik Tik. And now they have a working refrigerator. Some ice cold water for later. So we're gonna add a little bit of salt now, a little extra ingredient if you want it. And then next, the brown sugar. We're adding 2 packets of brown sugar. I'm making a magic potion over here. Let me just see something.
Ow!
Pulling
Pulling my hair.
A little bit of hair.
Uy!
Here's the corn or the Tik Tik. And some water. So sometimes when people make Tik Tik, they mix the corn with the flour, but we're using pure corn because it tastes better. Okay. You hungry? You want some Tik Tik? So with the Tik Tik, you're just adding a little bit of water just to kind of get a little bit of moisture in there. So one more ingredient. You don't eat it, but we use the banana leaves. Watch out for Richie. You don't want to mess with her. I think I have a tail. Who's back there? So now it's time to go get the banana leaf. We have a whole team with us.
Before, we use this one while walking during nighttime.
During nighttime? Alright, so when you don't have a flashlight, you can use it as a torch.
3 or 2.
3 or 2? Alright. It's called suit? Suit. Alright.
3. You can make 2 or 3. Last one. While walking,
Nice. And how long would that last, you think?
maybe 10 to 15 minutes
Alright.
from here to new property.
Really? Okay. So if it gets too dark, if you want to walk this path gets really dark at nighttime. And if you don't have a flashlight, you can walk all the way from here to the new property, which is like a 10-15 minute walk, maybe more, maybe less. So perfect. If you have a lighter.
What was this?
Who's that?
Usually here in province, people don't have flashlight.
Yeah.
Fire!
And now we're preparing the banana leaves for the Tik Tik.
For a TikTok.
For the TikTok. Give us a TikTok, Raymond. Doo, doo, doo.
Hey bro,
Nice. That's pretty hot.
walking like this.
Woo! I don't think there's gonna be any jungle left. So if you want to walk the jungle at night and if you don't have a flashlight, that's a great idea.
You can.
Brilliant mind, Raymond.
Usually here in province.
Yeah,
Like this.
that's perfect.
Like it's before flashlight expensive.
Yeah.
Like you can bring lighter like this and walk. You can. But usually the problem is during rainy season.
Yeah, everything is wet. But during the dry season, these are all over. So you can just walk 5 feet and you can see many.
Bring it. News.
Yeah, I'll take this back home with me.
Put it in your backpack.
Yeah, I'll just put it back there like this. Maybe I'll get a gun, a machete, and a sword, and a couple bombs.
Don't tell Reche.
Yeah.
Ayaw ba?
Spin, spin. How many times can you spin around?
Ayaw ba? Malipong ko.
3.
All right, 3 times.
Malipong ko ba?
1, 2,
7.
2.5,
Malipong.
3.
Taro mo kayo na. Taro mo.
He's gonna fall in the poop.
You.
No, I'm okay. You gotta watch where you step right here.
Mini poop.
Mini poop.
Next steps, guys.
Whose flashlight? Or whose? I said flashlight. Whose flashlight?
Lighter.
I'm busy.
Oh. All right. So next step. So next is to cut the banana leaf. And later we'll show you, we'll use the banana leaf to wrap the Tik Tik. Now we're adding the Tik Tik into the coconut milk. And you want to add this when there's no fire, so when there's not a lot of heat.
I can see your future here.
What does it say?
There's fog. I can see
It's foggy, I can't see clearly.
You're cooking TikTok?
I'm cooking Tik Tik.
Oh, nice dancer. Oh. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. To make things better.
Yeah, you gotta sing to the food.
Done.
So you just want to stir this until it's all one color.
No more white?
No more white.
I'm shy, Baludoy now.
Alright, so now it's finished and we're just gonna put it in this container.
I didn't know you're a dancer.
Maybe later, competition with Baludoy.
Yeah, let's do it. So you've seen this in other videos. We're just adding the Tik Tik into the banana leaf and then we're gonna roll it. If you're making this at home and you wanna fold it, when the line is right here at the end, you wanna fold it this way. All right, good to know. So then after this, we'll put it in the pot and then we'll cook it. And then after that, we can eat it. Now, we'll put it in the pot.
The mother and the father, same size. And here's the sun.
All right.
Small sun.
How about the moon?
Oh.
Here's Saturn.
Mercury.
Here's Uranus. And here's the water, the too big.
And boiled 1 hour and 2 days.
1 hour and 2 days.
See you in 1 hour.
If you want it well cooked, you can cook it for 1 hour and 2 days. And Baludoy is gonna make the fire. And then we're gonna get that cooking. And after that, the best step of all is eating.
Raymond's favorite.
Yeah.
And Dustin.
Cannot wait.
I like that little curl, man, on your chin.
Diri ba, diri?
Oh.
Awang pugas na ba? Marawan, hindi ko pagkatulong.
Arnie,
Yeah, that's Arnie. Very cool.
it's hard to...
Eat.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like tight right there.
It's hard.
Jenny.
It looks good though.
And Jenny wants to flex their corn.
Check out this corn. They just planted this, it seems not too long ago, and it's already starting to sprout out. All here, all through here, and then all back there.
Kamama ni Teresa day kay kanang
Asta.
di pa makamao. Kisa man friend ano?
Mama.
Lamo mga mama kay kapos. Sila pa day public. Nyablihe.
All right, it's finished.
Sabaw? Bala, musabaw. Musabaw. Oy. Oy. Oy.
Dala da butang no.
I can smell.
I can smell it coming back again. All right, so we're gonna open some of these up to let them cool down, and then it's ready to eat.
Want to you?
Sure, thank you.
Sige na karon dong lagi labay gyud niya. Dito taas gilabay niya.
We continue our TikTok dance with Baludoy.
Let's do it.
Dance ito tiyon. Tayo ito tulo ba? Hurry
One,
Oh, wait. Insert.
Or I mean, kind of.
Insert. Turn around. 1, 2, 3. Cover your egg! Cover your egg!
No sound. I cannot. Just sing.
Alright, just sing.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Boom boom mama, ea ea. Boom boom mama, ea ea. Terese boom, terese boom, terese boom, boom boom. Terese boom, terese boom, terese boom, boom boom. Boom boom mama, ea ea. Boom boom mama, ea ea. Terese boom, terese boom, terese boom, boom boom. Terese boom, terese boom, terese boom, boom boom. Hooray! Yay!
Take turns. Baludoy first.
Yeah.
It's your time.
Alright.
Oh, Baludoy first. Here. Oh, ikaw na siya, ikaw siya.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Toot toot toot. Toot toot toot. Yay!
Thanks, Dustin!
Dustin!
Top that!
Dustin!
I can't top that!
I can't stop!
1, 2, 3, go. Yay!
Ole!
Happy Hazel!
Isel! Time to eat!
Time to eat! It's alright, it should be cold enough now.
Yeah. It's my first time seeing Baludoy dancing.
Yeah, that was good, bro. Where'd you learn to dance? So here's the finished product. Mmm. Very good.
What's better? Tik Tik or TikTok?
Both.
I think TikTok is better to watch, than Tik Tik is better to eat.
Me?
Yeah.
Or?
Or while
Or-
we're
You can get some ice cold water from the new fridge.
Putting water while inserting?
Alright, so we have many leftovers today. Thank you, Baludoy. So we're gonna take this home and share it back at the house with everybody.
Thank you, Baludoy family. And
Yeah, thanks
for your
everybody.
TikTok dance. Thank you many times. Next time again.
Yeah.
I learned new steps from him.
Yeah, I've never seen those steps before. Those are nice.
I saw.
Sayo-sayo na po.
Those will be the next steps Richie will use for her
Yeah,
TikTok
yeah,
dances.
Oh.
See ya. See you guys. Later, Michael. Alright, so Raymond's going that way. We're gonna head this way. Hope you guys learned something today. That was Bud Bud, also known as Tik Tik if you cook it with corn. So we're just gonna head home and we'll see you guys like next time. Oh, my ankle. We just got back from Baludoy's and also from Imy's, and we got all this extra food, her treats. We got some Ubud Tik Tik. You guys can share those. There's many in there. And this is Tik Tik Marulia. So here you go, guys. Enjoy. Want some, Arnie?
Meow! Meow!
There's a cat.
Meow!
I think the cat's hungry.
Meow! I want Tik Tik! I want
Alright, so since we had the little library thing, we have many people coming and going. So these two just exchanged some books. They didn't want any of the Tik Tik, but here's a handful of candy. Here you go. You guys can share. There's many here. Alright. And thank you to Emma for sending them candy. And thanks for the books. That's booksforless.ph. Those are going fast. There's kids and adults too that come here and exchange books. So thanks a lot for the books.
Their mom will.
So adults and kids, they both benefit from the book. So guys, thanks very much. And we're just sitting here enjoying the Tik Tik. So you guys take care. Have a good night.
Bye bye!
Bye bye.